Welcome to your gentle workout break. These 5 moves are joint-friendly. No jumping, no equipment, just you. Joint-friendly, beginner-safe, feel-good movement. Let's move better, feel stronger, starting now. 1. March in place. Stand tall, lift one knee. Now lift the other knee. Swing arms gently as you go. Go slow, breathe easy, stay light. Do this for 30 seconds. 2. Wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from wall. Hands flat, shoulder width apart. Bend elbows, chest moves closer. Push back, keep body straight. Repeat 10-15 times. Go steady. 3. Chair squats. Stand in front of chair. Feet shoulder width, back straight. Lower slowly, like sitting down. Tap chair, then rise up. Repeat 10 times. Control the movement. 4. Arm circles. Stretch arms straight to sides. Make small circles going forward. Now circle backward. Keep breathing. Do 10 forward, 10 backward. Great for shoulders and posture. 5. Seated knee lifts. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Lift one knee toward chest. Lower gently. Now switch legs. Alternate for 30 seconds straight. Great for legs and lower abs. Cool down and wrap up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Relax your body. You did something great today. Repeat this daily to feel better. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.